Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix EA Javelin Anticheat encounter an error. Please restart the game. Just click on the OK button, click here to close that navigation. Then before in this video saying before, like and comment this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. In these steps, one by one follow to this problem fix it. Let's start that steps. First step for the run as admin EA app. For that, go to the desktop, find that EA app, just select and right click on the properties, and go to the capability tab. Then checkbox select the capability mode. Below checkbox select the run this program as administrator. Then hit the apply and OK button, click here to close it. Then go to the next step, services. For that, go to that services, just click to open it. Then scroll down, find EA Anticheat, just click to select, then right click on the properties, then startup type manually, don't check, don't changes, come to below service status. If the service status stopped, just click on the start button. Then hit the apply and OK button, click here to come to back and go to the next step, disable Windows security or third party antivirus. So for that, so go to the Windows search bar, then type that Windows security, just click to open it, click on the virus and threat protection, then click on the manage settings, real time protection. If this turn it on, just click to turn it off, then close it. Again reinstall that game, try to enjoy it. Again it not working, then go to the next step, manually anticheat update. For that, go to that your browser, then type that EA Anticheat, just click this website, then scroll down, search an EA Anticheat download, then click on this website. How to install and troubleshoot EA Anticheat on PC, just click to go to insert, then scroll down, click on this download that EA Javelin Anticheat installer, just click to download and install it. Then for restart your system, your problem fix it. That after that, finally you restart your system. And if you have any doubt, please ask me anytime. I give the answer. And like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe and support our YouTube channel. In this method, try to working or not working, comment section go to comment.